Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I was going to winterize the lawnmower. Before we get started, I'd like everybody to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when we post new content. So here is the Toro Timecutter SS5000. We need to run it out of gas, and then we'll put some WD-40 in the spark plug area where the spark plugs are on it back here. It's got two spark plugs on it, one there and one on the other side. And then we will put a battery tender on it so it'll keep a charge on it all winter long. So let's run out of gas first. All right, now that it's out of gas, here's the spark plug where it comes out. You can see the hole right back in here. The WD-40 is in that hole. The spark plug came out. And then we'll put the spark plug back in it. Twist it back into place. Get it hand tight again. Put our socket back on here, tighten it up. Just got to get it hand tight there. That's it. We'll put the spark plug cover back on it. Last thing to do will be to hook the battery tender up to it here. So here's the battery. I'm going to take off the negative here. And then this is our battery tender right here. Set that out of the way. Put my negative. And then you go plug it in. Should come on. And it says it's charging. So that's all there is to it. We'll let that set until next year. So that's all there is to it. It's all set up and ready to go through winter and should be easy to start back up come springtime. So I'm going to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, give me some comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll see you guys next time.